Hello, my name is Damir Djemidjic. I'm a mechanical engineer. Precisely, I'm mechatronics and robotics engineer. Interested in software development because I find the software development is sort of a feedback that tells me how much I understand in the fields of the science, such as mathematics, physics, etc. In this presentation, I will show a small project that I built as a plugin for a larger software used in simulating different tools. It's an icon editor, and I use the C++ because it's powerful language and Qt libraries. What do I like about the Qt? Qt is cross-platform, which means that you build the software and then you apply the software in different operating systems, and you don't need to worry about how they look like in those operating systems, because that is done for you in background. I like the feature signals and slots because it easily adds different actions into the software. GUI is also one of the features that I like in the Qt, and I find easy integration of my own libraries and as well third-party libraries such as the STL, standard template library, or Boost. In our later projects, I realized how easy it is to build software based on the plugins. So that's another thing that I like about Qt. This project is icon editor. As you can see, builds the icons based on the raster on bitmaps. First, select the size, image size. On the raster 128 by 128 cells, you can draw different features. I used a Brashnam algorithm to create a straight line. Two straight lines across the raster. On the right side, you have swatches and colors to select foreground color and background color. In this case, I will select foreground as yellow and background as brown, and draw the field circle. Software allows you to build empty circles with different colors. All these are based on midpoint algorithm. Midpoint algorithm is used for the ellipses as well. Standard basic curve is standard editing tool. Is named under because it's invented by French engineers in the 60s, I think. Two of them, but one of them is later recognized and only is given name by the first one recognized. But two engineers from France invented the algorithm, and they both worked in car industry. Bucket tool fills the regions with color. For example, this color. You can add the small. You can edit small cells. You can zoom in by incrementing, zoom out and zoom in by incrementing, and then using the pen to paint individual cells. You go to the actual size of the image or the fit size image, so you can see the whole raster. You can add the closed polygon or polyline. The brush tool, you can change brush tool, or brush tool with circle. Background brushing. Text tool allows you to edit the text. And that's pretty much what is the software.